Finally found one. All right there. Oh yeah. That is a nice one. Thank you, Lord, for the sailor. I walked a couple feet. Here's another one. Oh. That is not the other side, but that's a pretty cool looking antler. Thank you, Lord, for this one also. I have found the spot because we got another one right there. Hey. Another big freshie. This year's been good for the big ones. Thank you, Lord. I was walking down the trail. I've walked down this trail like 5 times already this year. I looked aside, there's literally one right here off the trail. Oh, guys. Oh. Another freshie. Actually,